Hi guys, I'm gonna say, guys, I need your help. I feel so horrible. And I got poronga, guys. And I got mammy. And the only way for me to make this right, or the only way for me to fix this, is to just go public and find this woman one more time and just apologize. On Saturday evening, takaenda ku Judgment Yard, ku Rivonia on deck, and got a little drunk, and I went to the bathroom with my handbag and my phone, Samsung 8 Plus, 3 months old. I went into the bathroom, I did my business, and then I got out. As I was getting out of the toilet, there was a lady who got in. And I want a black top and the lady, she was a bit short. And then I took a piss on her, so. And then I just touched up my face and then I left. And now I don't know exactly what happened. And then I left to so my friend, she said, Zuva, phone I'm getting bigger. And then I looked and her phone was in. And then it just hit me, where's my phone? Wow. Phone in the I see up a side pay. Was I on a toilet pane my tissue paper. That's why I left I'm sorry pitching my tissue chechi. And I knew couldn't open the see apana. I ran across the room, panicking. I got into the toilet. I banged the door. The store was locked. I banged the door, and I knew whoever munapina mtolo to umundia and abuda after inin sakandiye munantori antwezi phone ruku. I banged the door. And she's like, who is it? And it's I want my phone. I left my phone in there. She's like, I'm using the toilet. She was so soft spoken. I'm freaking out. I'm drunk. I'm just panic mode. Door. I literally, when she just opened the door, I pushed her. Then my tissue, and she still has her jeans down. I pushed the door and out of panic. My first thought as anyone, I think, was, you have my phone. I didn't even ask for permission. I just went for her boobs, her bra, ndakava secha muviri wese apo mukadzi mukuru. I was on beast mode. Ndikati, you have my phone. Vaskana ndiregenda nditsvage phone yangu. Ndakava secha muviri wese apo vangokaisa majinzi pasi kandigovabata pese kustonyeni kwese kumagaro. And I went to town on her body. I'm freaking out and I'm like, there's no way you have my phone. She's like, my child, I'm a banker. I don't have time to steal phones. I don't have your phone. Earlier on, when you're taking selfies with my daughter came to your sit. I took my selfies, and I was actually feeling proud and admiring you. My photos only for you to do this to me. And I'm like, bitch, I want my phone. I was freaking out, but Ndakava said she didn't have the phone. So obviously she didn't. I suddenly remembered, no, there was a guy earlier on Angachi Mopa floor. I remembered because she wasn't the only lady that I saw. There was a guy. So I got out of the toilet and I'm just walking out of panic, and then I found that guy. And I'm like, I want my phone. And he's like, where did you leave it? I said, I left it in that toilet, in that store. And that lady is the only one that got in there. 30 seconds, but she said, I want my phone. And he's like, what color is your phone? It's got a red case. It's an 8 Plus, S8 Plus. And then you go brafura. She can say, sister, I have your phone. When I was mopping the floor, I found it on the tissue thing. Akavura, he had cargo pants. And he had phones in the cargo pants. He had phone, he had phones. Then he was trying to find mine, and he took out my 8 Plus, and he gave it to me, and it's like you had forgotten in the toilet. I was keeping it for you to know lost and found. Imagine! People are that honest. I felt horrible. I got my phone. I ran back because I had to unlock it in front of him. I ran back to that lady, and she was now fixing her jeans and everything. I just hugged her, and I said, I'm sorry. I felt horrible because I'm not a bad person. That's one thing I know about myself. But I had to quickly reflect on what I had just done to this lady. And she's a fan. I hugged her, I apologized, I explained, and she was laughing. And she's like, I once forgot where I parked my car, and I was looking for my car in my handbag. So I know. I said, it doesn't justify what I did to you. And I apologize, and to know what she's going to go back to where she's sitting, and she's taking the story. I couldn't have it. I had to make it right. So when I took her back to her sit, and the lady, the daughter, I had to explain everything, and I apologized, and I said, I'm so sorry, I panicked, I'm drunk, but I had no right to violate your mother's body like that. I'm so sorry. So she took photos with me, but she didn't tell me her name, she didn't say anything. And please, if you're watching this, because you said you are a follower, if you're watching this, please just, what's your name? What's your mom's name? I'm sorry. From the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry. Guys, please help me apologize to this lady. And because that was uncalled for. I don't ever want people to carry stories like that of me. Every time I meet people, they tell me, so you're such a nice person, so you're such a sweetheart, you're such a gentle soul, you're such a this, you're such a that. And I love that. I don't ever want it to be tainted by something that I did on purpose, but it was a mistake, and I apologize. I'm so sorry, whoever you are. To the guy that found my phone, you're an honest human being. I wish everybody could be like you. You taught me something. Thank you so much. So guys, in the today, will please help me find this lady.